Exercise 2, question number 5. Prove cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse of 33 by 65. So I'll start with LHS. Now cos inverse of 4 by 5, I can write tan inverse of 3 by 4. Why? You see, cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse. So this side will be 3. So tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13. I can write tan inverse of 5 by 12. Why? You see, cos definition means what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So this side will be how much? 5. 5, 12, 13. This is 3, 4, 5. So that is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Why? Because here 3 by 4 into 5 by 12, that is how much? 15 by 48, which is less than 1. 4 to 48, which is less than 1. Okay, so that is equal to tan inverse of, now what is LCM in numerator? 4 into 12. Okay, so 3 into 12, 36 minus, plus 4 into 5, 20. Again, what is the LCM in denominator? 4 into 12. 4 into 12 means 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 48. Common LCM get cancelled. Minus 3 5s are 15. So you are getting tan inverse of 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 8 minus 5, 3, 4 minus 1, 3. So that is equal to tan inverse of 56 by 33. Now I want to convert it in cos inverse. So for that purpose, make a right angle triangle. So tan means opposite upon adjacent. So this side will be how much? Let it be A, B, C. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that is equal to how much? 56 square plus 33 square. Okay, so 56 square will calculate here. 6 6 are 6 5 are 6 3, 8 plus 3 11, 2 plus 1 3. So that is 3 1 3 6 plus 33 square will calculate here. 1089. So now 9 plus 6 15, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12, 1 plus 1 2, and here it will be 4. Now 4225 will be definitely a square of 65. Let us see, 65 square of 65. Here I'll do 65 into 65. 6 5 are 6 6 are 36 and 3 39. Again say 5 5 are 25. 5 6 are 30 and 2 32. So what you are getting? 5 2 2 4. Yes, that is equal to 4 2 2 5. So this is nothing but 65 square. So AC square is equal to 65 square. So therefore AC is equal to 65. So if you want to convert this will be 65. So if you want to convert this, then this is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse in terms of cos inverse. So this I can write cos inverse of adjacent 33 upon hypotenuse 65. So that is nothing but RHS. This is a rough work. Otherwise you can remember also 33 square plus 56 square is equal to 65 square. Okay. Hence proved. Hence proved, you can say. Hence proved. Now coming to question number 2. Again I am starting with LHS. Cos inverse of 12 by 13 I can write tan inverse of 5 by 12. Same as here. Cos inverse of 12 by 13 I can write tan inverse of 5 by 12. Plus sin inverse of 2 by 3. Or here I think there is a mistake in question. Sin inverse of 3 by 5. Okay, so it will be what? Sin inverse of 3 by 5. Okay, so this sin inverse of 3 by 5, I can write what? Tan inverse of 3 by 4. Why? Make a right angle triangle. Sin means what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So this will be how much? 5 square, that is 25, minus 3 square, that is 9. 25 minus 9, 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Now this is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. That will be what? Tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Why? Because x into y, that will be how much? 15 by 48. Of course less than 1. Denominator is greater than numerator, so that number will be less than 1. So that is equal to tan inverse of. Now take LCM, same 4 into 12. So 5 4s are 20 plus 3 into 12 36, 48 minus 15. So that is equal to tan inverse of 20 plus 36 56 upon 8 minus 5 3, 4 minus 1 3, 56 33. Same way here on right angle triangle. So tan means opposite upon adjacent side. So 56 33. So according to this, 56 square plus 33 square will be what? 65 square. So here our square root will be 65. So if you want to convert in sine, so this will be what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So sine inverse of 56 upon 65. That is equal to what? RHS. Hence root. Okay, now coming to question number 7. I want to prove tan inverse of 63 by 16 is equal to sine inverse of 5 by 13 plus cos inverse of 3 by 5. I am starting this from RHS. Sine inverse of 5 by 13, I can write tan inverse of 5 by 12. Why? Make a right angle triangle and you can get yourself. Cos inverse of 3 by 5, I am writing tan inverse of 4 by 3. Why? Make a right angle triangle here, 3 by 5. So this will be 4 by 3. And for this, again make a right angle triangle. Sine means opposite upon hypotenuse. So this will be 12. So 5 by 12. Yes, we are right. So that is equal to tan inverse of. What is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y? Same, tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So that is equal to tan inverse of, what is LCM? 12 into 3. So 5 is a 15, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4 upon 36 minus 20. So that is equal to tan inverse of 8 plus 5, 13, 5 plus 1, 6 upon 6 minus 0, 6, 3 minus 2, 1. That is what? 63 by 16. Tan inverse of that is equal to what? LHS. Hence root. Okay, now coming to question number 8. So in 8, I want to prove tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8 is equal to pi by 4. So I'll take a pair of first two and then next two. Okay, so starting from LHS. So this will be tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 upon 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7. Again 1 by 5 into 1 by 7, that is 1 by 35 less than 1. Okay. Then tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 upon 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 8. Same, 1 by 3 into 1 by 8 will be 1 by 3 is a 24 less than 1. Okay. That is equal to tan inverse of. So we'll get 7 1s are 7 plus 5 1s are 5 upon 7 5 is a 35 minus 1 plus tan inverse of, this will be 8 plus 3 upon 3 8s are 24 minus 1. So we are getting tan inverse of 7 plus 5 12 by 34 plus tan inverse of 8 plus 3 11 upon 23. So here cancellation we can do. So this will become tan inverse of 2 6 are 2 1s are 2 7s are plus tan inverse of 11 by 23. Okay, now here I am applying the formula. Again same, the product is less than 1, so we can apply that formula. Tan inverse of 6 by 17 plus 11 by 23 upon 1 minus 6 by 17 into 11 by 23. So that is equal to tan inverse of, calculation is there, 23 into 6, 23 into 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 3 are 12, 138 plus 11 into 17, 17 into 11, 7 1 7 1 7 8 1 8 7. Okay, 17 into 23, 23 into 17, that will be how much? 3 2 21 16 1 9 3 391. Here we get what? 391 minus 66. So that will be how much? Tan inverse of 7 plus 8, 15. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 325. Upon here, how much I have written? 391. This is 391. 23 into 17. Minus 66. So 11 minus 6, 5. 8 minus 6, 2. 325. So this 325 will get cancelled. So you are getting 1. Tan inverse of 1. What is tan inverse of 1? Tan inverse of 1 is nothing but pi by 4. That is equal to what? RHS. Hence proved.